Hey everyone, for this video, we will see if we can check how many hours we've spent on Roblox. With this tutorial, you might be able to see your hours played on Roblox. So, if we go to profile at the middle of the screen, the bottom middle of the screen, we can see that we can edit our profile picture. Let's try that. And if you scroll down, it's not here. So let's try looking at customize. Nothing here. How about here? No. So let's go back. How about let's go to the three dots and then go to settings, account info, and no, this is where your account information is, like your display name, your username, password, email address. Let's try going to security. Maybe it's there. Actually, you can't see how many hours you've played on Roblox. As of 2023, Roblox hasn't added an update showing how many hours you've played games on Roblox. It's really unfortunate, but there's nothing we can do about it. If this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.